Cut your feet off.
So then how do you walk then, Ruby?
Oh!
Wow.
Not.
No.
I'm
You have no
recording
right to
WoW,
judge.
by the way.
I can't get that. But I'll get that W.
I'm gonna get that. Boom, boom.
For those willing to risk it for the biscuit.
No, I'm not. I'm a bad biscuit.
Yes, you are. Bad.
That's not what I meant to say.
Oh yeah, Zach, you're a really bad biscuit.
Ooh,
Okay. Don't.
I'm
Don't.
still
I'll say something
recording.
I'm gonna regret, so don't.
Bad biscuit.
Oh yeah, Zach, tell me how crunchy you are. Or are you soft and gooey in the middle?
Okay.
I know.
I have so many questions for you, Brayden.
The question is, you really want an answer?
No.
Yeah.
You know. Still have questions. Can you jump in midair?
Do you have double jump on?
There's a double jump?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, for cheaters.
I just jumped midair, so possibly lag.
Oh no!
Are we trying to kill people? Rude? Rude bee?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I had it.
Oh, Ruby.
Oh.
What?
Ruby.
What?
Oh, Ben, if you press to rotate, you can make it spin the other way.
Oh,
Shoot.
no,
Ruby.
I'm playing against myself.
Ruby, you took the jetpack.
I'm doing what every smart person does, Brayden.
I didn't see you die. I need to go back to the clip.
No butts, no nuts, no cocoa butts. That's the way it goes, right? Ruby, why?
Hey, God damn it, Rude. I got the chameleon!
Oh,
I did it.
Is it gonna turn? Yes!
Oh,
Yes, it turns it!
I fell!
oh shit.
You did well, Ben.
Not likely, but thank you for the vote of confidence. I appreciate it.
I am mother.
What about your mother?
I am
That does
mother.
have to be the boss of the game.
Oh,
No, like-
oh,
get, like,
okay,
the
right.
shoe?
My bad.
Double boxes.
Are you serious?
I am literally
No,
mother.
I'm not anybody.
I didn't think you would be.
How pent up you are, I can see it.
I'm gonna start receding.
Alex.
Can't tell
You
anything.
already had 2 pieces of teleporter?
Yeah.
Yes. You need to
And Ruby.
put the teleport.
And Ruby.
What? Why?
And Ruby.
What'd you do with the
Ruby's
teleporter?
She set it up and just walked into the finish line.
Killed me.
Ruby lived.
Excuse you.
You sound
Ruby
so
lit.
disappointed by that.
I am.
Alex.
Bees, 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 bees.
Nobody told you that was gonna be this.
I can't stick the black hole.
Okay, well, anyway.
Oh, f you,
Shoot.
Ruby.
Rude bee.
I could have made it though. I could have made it.
That was good.
That was very
Also, screw you for the portal in general.
Why?
I was so mad. I worked my ass off to get across the map and you're just already there. I'm like, what the
Oh, hey, look.
melee man?
Zach, what is your chameleon dress like?
Oh, that's so cool.
It's Rango!
Alex, help! Where am I? Where am I? Am I dead? Am I alive?
Where am I?
I can't tell if I'm alive or dead. Someone needs to
You're
help
Are you
me.
jumping?
I stopped jumping just in
You're
case.
dead.
You're trying to get the coin I placed in there, aren't you?
No. I'm
Oh,
trying
well,
to
I
win.
placed the coin in there, so you should definitely try to go get it, because I did. and
How-
I think I died.
My
Hi.
jump just didn't work.
Oh no.
Commend your pinpoint accuracy for aiming your ass right towards that saw.
I was like zoned out. I was not paying attention. I was like, I need to make the jump.
How did I not hit that saw?
You
Did
guys-
you do?
Spinny fan.
The bee! Wait, how did you not die to my spike? Oh, fuck.
Zach did what I
So
did.
bad. What's the punch button?
Oh my god. All
Ben!
They always come after you.
Alex. How did you get that? I don't even remember where I placed it in there.
There's no way I can win though, because of the stupid fucking barbed wire.
I was hoping Ruby would put the you'd put the spinny thing on the bees, so we'd have spinny bees.
Well, someone blew up my bees.
Yeah,
Yeah, Ruby did.
No, I didn't. You have no proof.
Oh gosh, the fan.
Fuck.
The fan, Ruby. Oh, that was bad. It bounced me
No.
up
I made it.
into a hockey puck.
I made it.
You see that tiny 1-block gap I just fell through?
Yep.
No!
Yes.
We're not gonna talk about that.
Time.
I did it!
No! No!
You
Ben!
got this. Ben, jump.
Jump! Keep jumping! Just keep jumping!
You got this.
Hold the up arrow as you jump.
I am!
Box! Zach, you better
Get it,
make
Ruby.
it.
Get it.
Do it.
Hi.
What do we get?
Better for
Love
me.
you.
Beaver Zach.
Yes, I got the lava, buddy.
Zach, you have to make it
Um.
up there.
Ben, you can do it. Where'd Ben go? Ben.
He's in the corpse pile with us. Yeah.
Woo!
And Zach perma died. He's just out of the chat.
He left the chat?
Oh god. Oh god. Yes. There we go.
What? Zach?
Zach. Oh, he's not even moving.
Oh no! Oh, yes!
Okay. Ben, Bruce, I'll let you go. Go ahead.
Nope. I don't
No,
trust you.
Bruce. No, trust
I
me.
don't trust you.
Trust me. Look,
Okay,
look,
well,
I'm all the way over here.
I know, but I'm trying to jump onto that floating platform thing.
In this party, we whisper into people's ears our deepest, darkest secrets. I'm not wearing any pants.
Which one of you keeps killing me?
Alex.
Alex did the first time, and then I did.
Do you guys mind? I'm trying to. Who put the boxing glove? Okay, that's getting blown up as soon as I can. That's little bullshit, guys. Here we go.
My dead body.
Oh, my battery's
Hey
low.
guys.
I ended up tapping out of the game because my battery's low.
You're on the propeller.
I'm on the thing that killed me.
Wizard sheep! Tell me your powers. Wait, I'm Rango in my natural habitat. The desert.
The golf course.
Gets the golf course. Go off the top of that. Oh, well. It should be possible to get that now. Oh, whoa, what?
Yes!
Which one am I?
That's
I'm
the
not-
first time!
Hey, fuck you, I got the windmill. Hey,
Okay, Zach. Now
yeah,
you can see
Ben,
my
I'm a
plan.
big fan.
Not anymore.
Alex, no, put it on the other side of mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Thought
then,
it was
oh,
Oh.
Ah!
Oh god. Oh god.
oh god,
No.
yes, fuck you. I went right through that
So did
fucking
I.
thing on my screen. Don't stand on the left side. Oh god, my door's gonna close.
I got the coin.
Yeah.
Alex, you owe me like $500 for those punch kills.
What are you talking about?